How do you transfer property ownership after a loved one passes away? In this case, you would use a form called an Affidavit of Survivorship. And in this video, we're going to go over exactly how to do that and where to get an official template to use. Let's jump in. In this video, we'll cover what an Affidavit of Survivorship is, how to file, and the steps to writing an Affidavit of Survivorship. We're eForms, your go-to source for business and legal how-tos. To access an official Affidavit of Survivorship template, click the link in the description below this video. Let's start by going over what an Affidavit of Survivorship is. An Affidavit of Survivorship is used to confirm that a surviving joint tenant or co-owner becomes the sole owner of a property after the other joint tenant or co-owner passes away. By filing this affidavit, the surviving owner can claim the property without needing to go through the probate process. Imagine this scenario. John and Mary own a house together. Sadly, John passes away, and Mary needs to update the property title to her name. She'll use an Affidavit of Survivorship to do this quickly and easily, bypassing probate and ensuring her sole ownership. Who can file an Affidavit of Survivorship? A joint tenant or co-owner of the property who has the right of survivorship may file the affidavit when their fellow tenant or co-owner passes away. In states that recognize tenancy by the entirety, a surviving spouse may also file the affidavit. With a transfer on death deed, the designated beneficiary may also file an Affidavit of Survivorship when the original owner passes away. It's important to note that the affidavit can only be used when tenants hold equal ownership interest in the property. If there are varied percentages of ownership and no right of survivorship, the decedent's interest becomes part of their estate. Before we go, let's go over the steps to filing. After signing and notarizing the affidavit, submit it to the Land Records Office in the county where the property is located. There may be an associated fee when filing, and it's recommended to provide a certified copy of the decedent's death certificate. To file an Affidavit of Survivorship, follow these steps. List the state and county. Include your name and current address. Identify the property by date of deed, address, and instrument number. Include a legal description of the property. Affirm your joint ownership of the property with the decedent. State the fact that the decedent died and their date of death. Conclude by requesting to be recognized as the sole owner. Hopefully this video has been helpful and provided all of the details you need. To start creating your own Affidavit of Survivorship, click the link in the description below. There you'll find a detailed sample and your own template to download and use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.